show you how to make the curly twine. You're going to need a dowel rod. This is, I believe, maybe a 1/4 inch, or maybe even a little more than that, maybe a 3/8 inch. It doesn't matter what size. You're going to need some twine, some clothespins, and some, you're going to need a heat source and water. Okay, the first thing that you do is attach your twine to your dowel using your clothespin. Okay, all right, and once you get that attached, you're going to start twisting your twine around your dowel, and you want to make sure that you keep the twine really close together, that you don't want any gaps in your twine, or you won't end up with your nice little curl here. So just continue twisting your twine until you get down to the bottom of the dowel. Twine all the way down to the end of your dowel. You want to secure it with your other clothespin, and then you'll just cut your twine. Once you have your twine added to your dowel, you're going to want to clean up all of fine hairs of the twine, and I do that with a lighter. If you are not comfortable doing this, do not do this. Only if you're comfortable doing this. But I just take my lighter and I light the whole thing, and it just takes care of those fine twine hair pieces. If you're more comfortable doing this outdoors, do this outdoors. The next thing that you want to do is soak your dowel in water for about 5 minutes. Once your dowel is covered with the water, soak it for 5 minutes. Once your twine has soaked for 5 minutes, take it out of the water, and you're just going to use a paper towel or a dish towel and kind of get some of the water out of it. And your next step is going to be to place it into a toaster oven. I suggest a toaster oven because it has a warm setting. If your oven has a warm setting, you can also place it into your oven. Just make sure you put it on the warm and leave it in there for 15 to 20 minutes. Check it after 15 minutes to see if it's dry. If you feel like it's dry, take it out. If not, leave it in there for another 5 minutes. It should be completely dry within 15 minutes, just on the warm setting. Going to put it on the warm setting, okay? Warm, and then you're going to put it on for 15 minutes. Okay. Oh look, we got curls. This is what you're going to end up with. Woo woo! Isn't that fun?